Okay, here's Mowich Lake, day one. It's about 9:10 in the afternoon. It just started raining. It was supposed to rain until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I am off to start my hike. I got about 10.2 miles to the campground. Plenty of water sources coming out. So today was a good day for it to rain. Probably carried way too many waters with me. I got the 1 liter and then the 700 milliliter. 6 more miles to camp. It's 11:50. Took a little break and I made that video crossing the bridge, so just a little behind. But I should be there more likely right before 4 o'clock before it starts raining. So far, it's a lot of switchbacks coming from Mowich. And I've passed two hikers, both a couple, two pair basically. And I didn't ask where the other one was coming for the first one, but the two ladies on the second time I met them, the second hikers I met are from Golden Lakes. She mentioned the river crossing is to follow the red flags. So looking a bit concerning on my day two, but it should be good. And haven't taken a break yet. I stopped a couple of times. Probably should eat. I was waiting to get to the first campground. Take a little break there. I didn't go after that. I did take my raincoat off, and the pack feels a lot better now. The reason being because the pack on my hips was slipping down and was creating a hot spot on my right shoulder. After taking the raincoat off, adjusted the lifters, pack feels a lot better now. So I wish I brought my my weight scale so I could tell you exactly what 4 days of food and water weighs on this pack. Another short little bridge here. This was a little bit narrow. Guess there used to be a river here. My question is, I can see a path. There's the bridge, way over there. The one that was washed out last year, and they had to create a new one. Here's the bridge. I'm a little confused where I'm supposed to be going. I'm assuming follow flags. Okay. So a little bit of river crossing. Assuming I'm going this way. Be careful when you cross. Follow the flags. There, like the hiker said earlier, just follow the flag. Orange over there. So yeah. Whew. If you guys think it's the last, don't be. See these rocks right here that stacked up? These are other hikers telling you the direction to go. There is no more yellow flags or ribbons, so just follow those paths and you're good to go. Earth map is a little bit off. I'm not too sure exactly where I'm at. Golden Lakes is right there, so I'm probably about 2 miles away. That's where I'm camping for the first night. Alright, can somebody tell me what these are? It's like the movie, or you say the book from Dr. Seuss. Because I'm walking through these things, pants is completely soaked. I can feel my socks are wet, my shoes is completely drenched too, so we'll see if it dries tomorrow, at least my shoes. I think I got about a mile left to go, I'm not too sure. The view, even though it's not much right now, there'll be more and better days. Which direction am I going though? Okay. Here I am. Okay. Patrol cabin. That's a camp right there. Okay. So, do I need to check in? I don't think so. Okay, let's see which campground I could grab. According to the book, there's only 3 of us right now, so plenty to choose from. Got here at 3:29, just exactly what I said. Managed to get the tent up, and I learned a couple of valuable lessons. I was wondering why, when I was pitching it, it wasn't getting taut. And something I learned is, see these 2 colors? Gray and orange. The orange is for the peg, and the gray is basically to tighten the tent. Because it was getting loose every time. I was like, what's going on? And I kept adjusting and adjusting, and then finally, looks good. And I was right, it was going to rain right around 4 o'clock, and oh behold, it's 4 o'clock. This is campground number 3. This one here has the only tree that's covering a dry spot, so that's why I chose this over 1 and 2. So I can sit out here, get everything prepared. My legs are tired. I should probably, my hands are cold too, just from the cold, from the rain. It's been raining for quite a while. My tent's not organized, but sitting here. So the agenda I had today was a Mowich Lake campground. This is a map that you get from REI. It's basically a plastic paper map. Tells you the elevation, campsites, and everything else. So, came from Mowich Lake. You can see the elevation as it goes this way. This is a clockwise map, so just let you know, you gotta go backwards on here. And went to Golden Lakes Camp. So that was 10.3 miles. My next day for tomorrow, 5.0, 2.8, then 3.7. So I gotta go to South PL River Campground. I gotta find a water source because I'm only down to this liter of a bottle of water. And yeah, I think it's supposed to rain. The only thing is about about this having this Sierra Designs Elfless capacitor, it doesn't have a outer mesh to let everything dry out, because right now my socks and shoes are wet. My bottom of my zip pants, you can see right here, they're wet, and I'm just gonna figure everything out tomorrow. I'm gonna get everything else. That's the reason why I chose this campground, because of that tree, to get everything packed instead of being packed in this tent. So, yep.